If anyone tell you I have never been jealous in my life, know that he is an extraordinary person. In fact, in reality, it is impossible. In my childhood, when a family member received more delicious food than me, I felt jealous. So, jealousy is an emotional outburst of human nature. Jealousy is one kind of insecurity. Therefore, insecurity underlies jealousy. In order to explain the reality, I want to tell a story. Once in a village, a rich man and a poor man lived. From early age, they grow up together in the village. They used to read in the same school. The rich man was talented student, but the poor man was not focused on studying. He was always jealous on the success of others. Because of this attitude, he could not study much. In their career, the rich man became a big businessman and the poor man became an agricultural worker. As he gets older, his jealousy grows simultaneously. Especially the success of the rich man, he could not easily be taken into account. Day and night he would think how the rich man could be harmed. The rich man could understand all this, but he would not bother with it. Not to give special attention to his own family, the poor man became more and more poor. In such circumstances, one day heavy rainfall was started and the poor man did not cultivate his land. Naturally, within a short period of time, there was a food crisis in the house of the poor man. In such condition, he had to spend days without eating food. The rich man got the news and went to the poor man's house with sufficient food. The poor man was shocked to see the rich man. He thought the man whom he wanted to harm all his life, today he come to save him. The poor man then said to the rich man, "You know that I have wanted to harm you all my life, yet you have come to save me. Do you have no envy or jealousy towards me?" The rich man then smiled and said, "Of course I have, but I envy your poverty and wanted to burn your poverty with the help of my jealousy." The poor man then broke into tears. So, my dear viewers, jealousy is such a sharp weapon. You can use both sides of it. But the question is, why we become jealous? We always compare ourselves to that of our counterpart. If my classmate is better than me in studies, then seeing him I become jealous. If my neighbor is richer than me, then seeing him awaken my jealousy. But I don't get jealous seeing an industrialist because of whom I do not think my counterpart. But in my life race, my counterpart is going beyond me. This phenomenon creates negative thought in my mind. But we do not think my counterpart is better, so I want to be the best, isn't it? You need to realize in reality what we do. We remain worried all the day by thinking it, why my counterpart is better than me. He should not be better than me. We make many excuses to cover our own failures. I could have done it, but my dad did not help me. My counterpart has achieved success because he has a lot of money and extra facilities in life. So a lot of such negative thoughts are gathering in our memory. Naturally, we do not have time to think healthy. We need to understand, telling others about my failure, I can feel joy for the time being, but it will not solve my life problem. I did not do my own job while thinking of others. But what happens if we turn our jealousy as key of success? If I would like to congratulate my counterpart for his success, at the same time, I will try my best to have more success than my counterpart. It is a thought of being the best among the good. Is it wise to burn my hands in the fire of jealousy? So, dear friends, we need to be jealous to poverty, unsuccess, diseases, brutalities, all things those are hostile to society and beautiful life also, isn't it? Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to have more videos in the channel. Thank you.